Bannerman shearwater, Puffinus bannermani, is a seabird in the Procellariidae family formerly considered conspecific with Audubon's shearwater, Puffinus lherminieri. Range. Little whale is known of this species other than that it breeds in the volcano islands in the Ogasawara group to the southwest of Japan and doesn't seem to range far from this area. Population. The species' population size has not been estimated but is assessed to be decreasing. Diet and habitat. Not much is known about this species, and more research is required to obtain an understanding of its ecology. Based on the ecology of closely related species, P. bannermani is thought likely to feed on fish, squid and cephalopods by surface easing, underwater pursuit, including diving and plunging, and paddling. Del Hoyo et al. 1992, Brook 2004. It is likely to nest in rock crevices or burrows and form colonies. Del Hoyo et al. 1992. References.